Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making KetoGinja's chili. Erin does the keto, makes this all the time, and she absolutely loves it. I really want it on my phone.
And then so do all the spices.
Okay, so far I have cooked my onions. I will leave the recipe down below as well and a link to this video. I have cooked up, I only did half of a white onion and one small red pepper. I cooked that up, and then I think I did it wrong. I think I was supposed to add in the chorizo first, but now I'm just doing the meat first, and then I'm going to add in the chorizo. Be right back. Alright guys, so I added my Worcestershire sauce, I added the chorizo, 1 packet of chorizo in with 1.5 pounds of ground beef. I have the onions, I have the red pepper, I have the ground cumin, the chili powder. I used onion powder, garlic powder, minced garlic. What else is in here? Salt, pepper, and a dash of paprika. And so far that's all I have in here right now. I'm making sure that this is cooked thoroughly. So, you know, first I put in the peppers and the onion and the garlic in with a little bit of avocado oil, and I cooked those. Then I added in all of the meat and the seasoning, and I'm just cooking it all together. You can eat this right away, or you can let it simmer in the crock pot or on the stove for a while. But as Amanda says in her video, the chorizo gives it a lot of flavor, and so it doesn't really need to simmer for long. This meat looks delicious, I will say that. So this is ready for the next step. I'm even using my spatulator. And alright guys, my chili is done. I'm going to let it simmer for a few minutes here. All I did was add 8 ounces of beef broth, the fire roasted tomatoes, and 3 heaping tablespoons of tomato paste. And that's it. Look at it. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Isn't it? Now I doubled mine. I added 2 cans of the tomatoes, because I like a lot of tomato. But isn't this gorgeous? Shout out to Amanda, KetoGinja, because she has really outdone herself with this chili recipe. Thanks, Amanda. And that's it guys, that's how you make Amanda's chili. It is delicious, and it's nutritious, and it's keto friendly, and I can't wait to dive in. Super cheesy. I'm gonna put some sour cream on top. You could put guacamole on top, or avocado, sour cream, some cheese. Ooh, I know what I'm gonna put on mine. Some wisps. Come on now. It's gonna get real. Alright guys, make good decisions.